Hey guys, today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Minecraft server for free. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, quit Minecraft and go to a preferred web browser. After that, come to a search engine, and all you need to do is search for Aternos. Aternos is a place where you can create free Minecraft servers. It is important to note that a free Minecraft server does have its limits when compared to a paid Minecraft server, so keep that in mind. Now, scroll down, and then all you want to do is click on play on the right-hand side. And what you'll need to do is sign up if you don't already have an account. If you do, then you can go and sign in. After signing in, we'll need to create a new server. So I've already got some existing ones here. But in order to create a new one, just click on the Create button. We're going to create it as a Java Edition server first, and then click on Create again just like. You can also tweak other settings, but I will keep them as default. Then for software, come over to the right of Vanilla and click on Change. And what you want to do is use this one called Spigot and Bucket. And then you can also choose the version. We'll just use the latest version available. And then you'll have to come over to the right and click on the Install button. Once it is installed, come over to the left and click on Plugins and wait for it to load. Now you need to come up to the search, and you need to search for something called Geyser. So you type that in and give it a go. Here, you've got a few different options, but what you want to do is go for Geyser MC. So come down, head over to the right, and you can see the version. Now it's important to note that you need to get the same version. If you have installed a different one, then you will need to change it. For that, come back to the Server tab and scroll down to Version. Here, click on Change and just change it to the one that is compatible. Once done, click on Install again and then come back to Plugins. Now we can go and search for Geyser again. You can see that we have now got a green tick, so all you need to do is go to the right side and click on the download button. As you can see, it's now circling. Simply wait for it to finish installing, and that's it. Now, let's go back over to the left and click on Server, and then what we can do is click on the Start button. After that, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions, so I'll press Yes, I accept, and now you just need to wait for this to load. It took a few minutes for the server to start, but once it's done, click on Connect. You'll then be given the information to join this server. Now, you need to open up Minecraft on your PC, and once you are here, click on Add Server, and I'll copy and paste the IP by highlighting it. I'll then paste it into the server address and press Done. Once done, I'll then join the server just like this. Now, what I'm going to do is make a quick tower to prove to you that we're joining the same world in Minecraft Bedrock. Now here we are in Minecraft Bedrock. So I'll click on Play, go to the top right and click on Servers. Here, scroll down and click on Add Server. After that, what we'll need to do is get the server address, the port, and give it a name. So here we are. Simply highlight the IP again, right-click and press Copy. Come back to Minecraft and press Ctrl+V to paste it. And then we'll come down to the port and highlight it once again like this. Right-click on it and press Copy, and then we'll go and remove the current port, paste it in, and enter a name, so I'll just press the play button. And here we are, so I'll just go and look around for the tower that I built in Java. You can see that the tower is present here. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. That's basically how you can create a Minecraft server for free, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.